Come spend the 4th of July with me at Mackinaw Island.
Yes. Goodbye.
Love will call when you got enough under yours. Oh, no.
I went pretty deep.
Where are we going? Yeah. Look. You can't really see it from there.
You don't think you can see it?
Not from that angle. That's where we're going.
We're going to Mackinaw.
Where are we at, honey?
Mackinaw Island.
Yeah. What do you want to do, Spare?
Go to the hotel.
Yeah.
Okay, wait, let me restart.
So what do you want to do today?
I want to go to the hotel.
Yeah.
I want to go to the arch. I want to get good coffee. I want to get good food. And I want to do a lot of shopping. They have a lot of jelly cats on the island. I heard.
I want a cookie.
Yeah,
There's a cookie over there.
let's knock that off the list first after my coffee. Yeah?
Yeah.
What do we get?
Yeah.
We got a big ass cookie. And she got coffee.
You pay for it.
Yeah.
But I got your ticket, so.
It's good. It's a good cookie.
This is expensive though.
Oops, sorry. What'd you get?
I got a coffee.
Come this way.
I got a coffee and we got a cookie.
Yummy.
The perfect combo. Mm-hmm.
Is your coffee good?
It's so strong.
Is it? There's horses. What is this?
I can't recall last time
Beautiful
that
hair.
we talked about anything but looking out for comps. We got cigarette burns in the same side of our hands. We ain't friends, we're just morons. No skin in the same.
I'm taking a different way to get to the Arch Rock. I've never been this way. But like it's cool. Yeah, like a view of like the water and stuff. These beautiful houses. It's so cool. Never been this way.
Bosses. A single stipulation.
She was just saying how creepy this place is, and now look at her.
Consideration. Kissing any boy that's passive.
It's kind of cool. I don't know where she went. Where are you going?
Yeah, these were the best purchase.
She's
Breasts.
listening to Olivia Rodrigo. Yeah, it's so cool, isn't it?
Oh, what do you think we're just kidding?
You said it yesterday. Where are we at, honey?
We're by the Grand Hotel. We're staying the night.
No, we're not.
No, we don't got that money.
We're not dressed like that.
Hey, I'm dressed cute.
We're not dressed in a suit and tie and like a prom dress though.
Prom dress.
But
Give us another day and hear our prayer whenever we pray. Father, you've been good
photos.
No, not here.
As we walked back to the docks to head to Petoskey, we took in the beautiful sights of the Great Lakes around us.
Rail tire worker, I've been laying tires on cold ground. But I'm leaving this evening with the same tracks I laid down. There's some boys out in Jersey that are calling me out by name. I got a reason to believe I ain't going down anyway. And if you're reading this letter, tell my mother and my brother that I love them. He's got the better blood of my old man and our cousins. But he made a bad deal with some boys out on Oak Island.
Whoa, we got a rocky ride today. Is it rocky?
It's rocky. Show them the back of the boat.
We're bouncing all over. But we went shopping for a bit, and then we're going back to Mackinaw City, and now we're going to Petoskey.
Petoskey!
Right?
Yes.
Was it a good day?
I'm so excited.
I'm sorry we're so bouncy. Oh, we're at the bridge. The water's so, I don't know if you can see it, but the water is so clear. But it's so gorgeous out.
And my brother found another way to make himself a decent little living. He turned around and found himself a licking only blood.
We're in Petoskey. I just dropped way too much money on a fucking shirt and a hydro flask. Not a wall or whatever. Right, babe? And she didn't buy anything. What world? She bought a Nido.
No, I bought a bag. I bought a Michigan bag. Okay.
What world are we in?
How have things been? Well, love, now that you mention it.
You think I gotta jump far out or just like...
And then like right over there. Don't drop it. You ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Saying too much, but you know how we get
Holy fuck.
It got really quiet all of a sudden, yeah.
going
Holy shit, Kenny. How?
That's pretty deep. I went pretty deep. Oh yeah.
retrograde. We take the
You don't want to stay and chill?
Huh?
You don't want to stay and chill?
Oh. It actually feels pretty good though.
okay. There ain't a drop of
Hi.
red blood. So my love, you got
Hi.
Hi. Wait, let me take a photo of you. Fuck.
After going in the water in Petoskey, we headed back down to her cottage to watch some fireworks. And that was how I spent my 4th of July.